Make a great choice today with the 2016 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes, braking assist, airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.